So the last stream I did, I went over making Google AdWords ads for your beats and how you guys could promote your music. And I used actually one of my beat session videos, or no, not beat session, beat the clock challenge videos, where I used a Metroid sample into making a beat, trap beat. So I used that video as an ad just to promote it on Google AdWords, kind of like how you would do with Instagram and using an Instagram ad and boosting your Instagram stuff there. So I liked the performance of some of my ads, so I actually started spend. So over in this region was when, I believe that's when we actually did. Let's go back to April 1st. Apply. Let me double check. Yeah, so over here is when we did that $1 ad and some other ads. So I'll actually go pull it up so we can see. And then in here are my current campaigns. So I'm gonna go and this information is super valuable for you guys on how you guys can get good at ads. Wow. So here's the test live stream campaign. So I'm actually running it right now with just $3 a day. Currently it's acquired 225 views. Earned views is like someone clicking it and then going to view more of my content. So it's brought in some. Honestly, we should bring in this one back, because this one was bringing in the most earned views, and this one right here. But look at this, they played this one up here. They played 17% of people got 100% of the video played. That's a lot of people. I must mean I was doing a really damn good targeting. Damn, that's crazy. I mean, but we could probably get that even higher. But almost 20% of people that watched it finished it, when only 20. So the 20% of the people, 23% of the people that made it 25%. Literally, we only lost about what, 6% of people by the 100% video completion. And I think the video is like, what, like 15 minutes? It was a long video. I'm like, damn, this shit's actually was doing fairly decent. You don't see those stats that often, but I don't know, especially when we go to some of these videos where it's like 7%, 5% finished. This one got 12%, 12.78. So it seems that whenever we do an entertainment video or a video where it teaches someone something, so like this was the live stream where I was just making a beat with the Metroid sample, this was getting more views, or getting just longer view retention. I guess it got the interest, whereas a beat type video, I mean, it's just a beat, so you don't need to listen all the way through. So in the live stream, let's go to the overview. This is the one that we did. So we want to close out, let me see, the May 18th. So this is what I did. So this cost budget 3. This is enabled right now. I'm trying to figure out how much I paid. Daily cost $8. So yeah, this is the one where I did the $1 a day on the ad that we set up in our live stream. So I got 566 impressions and 222 views for about $8. And which, if they subscribe and do other stuff, View rate 39%. Conversion rate. Do we get a conversion rate? That's not. Conversions? I don't think. View rate. Oh, we already got views. Cost. Clicks. So we got 2 clicks. So let's see the audience retention. So that's going to tell us retention, demographics. So I was right. It was going to be the younger people. What YouTube channel? I think it was BusyWorks Beats. That was the top place. We're about to double check. Yes, this was all just for one video for a week for $8, $1 a day. $1 a day. This is what it did. So here, let's run a staff. You spent 365 days paying for this ad for $1 a day with the stats that we got. Oh, this is all of our campaigns. We don't want that. Live campaign. Bear with me. It just backed us all the way out. There we go. So 222 views. Divided by 8. That's 27 views per dollar. So if you paid $1 a day for a whole year, you get about 10,000 views on that video. So I'm gonna show you. I spent $8. There's 8. So 222 views divided by 8. That gives you 27 views per $1. You spend $1 a day, 365 days, 1 year. That's 10,000 views. Now, likewise, if you probably did 10,000, if you did $365 in a single day, that's how many views you would get. So if you did $365 one day, then times 365, you get about 3.6 million. But you're paying 133 grand. You'd be paying in order to get
130 racks.
In order to get 3.6 million views on a video for a whole year, like over a span of a year, get 3.6 million views, you'd be paying $365 every day, which is 133 grand. That's a lot of money.
That is a lot of boo. That's a lot of bullshit. Bro, we be eating so good.
But that's a lot of math. That's unnecessary to go into all that detail, I guess.
Something you can't do.
But we could probably get better stats if we looked at other. That probably wasn't even the best potential campaign. We could probably done a better campaign that would probably gotten even better results. But besides the point, what's the other video? So I got this which is telling me it's limited by my budget, which is saying it means that your ads aren't showing as often as they could. Raising your budget can make you don't lose out on potential customers. You see what they're trying to say? So pretty much my $3 a day is a solid one, where it's doing pretty solid. Which is the live, the one, that campaign that we were just going over that I spent $8 on. That was the Beat the Clock one. I moved it from the $1 a day to the $3 a day. So now that I liked the results, so anything that I like the results, I approved. This is ended, so I could actually pause this. But this one, I got $5 going today. I'm probably gonna end it. So if we wanna overview. So yeah. You're right. So yeah, $8, about 9. We're looking at about the same rate. Very similar audiences. So yeah, very similar rate. But we're gonna see what $5 pays off as. But yep, I would probably say that's a good amount for this topic. This is kind of like a review touching upon what we already discussed before about the ads, because I wanted to say, like, I wanted to give you guys a 1 week update on where we were at. So this kind of shows you where we're at from where we started, because we just created the ad then. And so you guys saw the progress, what exactly we targeted, how we did it, and this is the results. So you guys saw the whole process, and it was live and all that stuff. So now we're here, and this is what we're seeing. And trust me, it shows on my videos that the views went up. So when I pay for the ads, it works. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's a legit way of getting real people to fuck with you. So man, I used to not do ads. All this was all natural growth. But now that, you know, stacked up some money, I worked, got some ka-ching in my pocket. We're gonna put some money behind some ads. Right now I'm dabbling in to see what I can get and such.